Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today I will teach you how to prepare presentation in PowerPoint. So first of all, I want to teach you how to add a new slide in PowerPoint. To add a new slide in PowerPoint, click on Home from the menu bar. This is menu bar. So on the menu bar, click on Home, then click on New Slide and then select any layout. For example, I want to select the titles layout. So you note it on the left side in the navigation pane, the new slide is added. Similarly, if I want to delete this one slide, just select this slide and click on delete. Now next topic which I want to teach you, choose a theme and style. To apply a theme, click on design and select any theme. For example, if I select this one theme, so it will be applied on the whole slides. Similarly, I want to insert a picture. To insert a picture, click on insert and then click on picture and then click on this drive. So you can select the picture. For example, this one picture, the horse, I want to insert from the desktop. Click on it, it will be automatically inserted. You can resize the picture. And you can paste it anywhere. Now, transition. What is transition? The slide you want to add a transition. Select the transition tab and choose a transition. Select a transition to see a preview. There is a preview option is also available. Select effect option to choose the direction and nature of the transition. For example, if you select this transition option and if you click on push, so this slide will be appear as an effect of push from bottom to up. Whenever the presentation display from the beginning, at the end I will display this presentation from the beginning, you will note that all the effects will be applied automatically. Someone want the split, so you note it that it will be split. The slide will be split. The effect will show the split. Now, what is animation? For example, any text you want to be appear in animated form, you need to select that one text. For example, this animation word I selected, then click on animation and then click on fly in. You note it, the animated form. Similarly, this text I want to apply the animation, select it and apply any animation. For example, appear like that or split. So you can apply the animation on any text. Hope you will learn a lot of things in MS PowerPoint, and thank you for watching this presentation. And if you want to display the presentation from the top, from the beginning, click on the slide show, then click on the from the beginning. So you note it, the effect which we have applied it. Thank you very much for watching the presentation.